In this video, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add an internal product to our partner program. So an internal product is one that can be found inside your membership. And so you can see that the membership that I'm on is called Chad's Coaching Program. And so if I come over here, I'm actually inside the membership now. You can see I'm inside of Chad's Coaching Program. And if I come over here, there are two different courses inside of this membership. And so what I want to do is pull each one of these courses inside my program so that the affiliates can go out there and promote it. So if we come back over here to the partner program, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up this program right here. This is the one we created. Now, this is where this takes place. And so if you're up at the top, you need to be on My Programs, and this is where you're going to build out your program. It's separate from the program settings. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here. Once I have this program open, I'm going to click on Add New Product to my program. And so once I click this little box opens up here, and you can see it says Internal Products. And I'm going to have those two products inside this program. Now, what I can do is I can pull them one at a time. And if I do that, then I am going to create the tracking ID, or I can pull them all at once and the program will create the tracking ID for me. So we'll go ahead and do this one right here. We'll do defining your goals. And so for my tracking ID, I'm going to do DYG for defining your goals. It can be whatever it is you want it to be. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and choose the default level. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go ahead and say, all right, let's make this one be 30%, 50, or 75. I can totally override the default level for the specific program. Remember, the program is set for a base of 30% right now. But if I want this specific product to be overridden to say 50%, then this one product will be overridden to 50%. Now understand, this will also affect some of your gamification programs, such as the progressive levels. Now, this here is the actual sales page that it pulled from inside of Everlesson. So this course has an internal sales page, and this is that page. Now, if I'm using an external page builder like ClickFunnels or something like that, then I would go ahead and put the sales page right here. But what's going to happen is this program right here is going to give us a code that we also need to put inside of ClickFunnels as well. And that way we're able to track the sales. Now, the last thing I want to show you is this box right here. And what this does is this will make it to where the affiliates cannot promote this specific page, meaning they will not receive a link to go out there and promote this specific product. However, it's still being added to the program, which means if you sell that product to one of the affiliates' leads, they will get commission for it. And so if I go ahead and click Save and Close, if we open up the program, you will see that it has added the defining your goals to the program, but notice how it is blurred out. And the reason why it is blurred out is because the affiliates cannot grab a link to promote it, but they will still get credit for any sales that you make to their leads. And so if I come over here and if I edit this, and if I uncheck this, and if I save and close it, now there will be a link inside the affiliates area as well. And so it's up to you if you want the affiliate to go out there and promote this or not. Because maybe you want to have it to where you're the only one promoting and the affiliates are just putting leads in the funnel. Well, that little checkbox will allow you to do that. And so if I come over here and if I add another product, this time, let's go ahead and do this one right here. And so I'll do CNF for Chad Needs From You. And then I don't have to override the default level, but I'll go ahead and put it on 30%. Here is that sales page. And for this one, I don't want the affiliates to get a link and promote it. So I'll go ahead and click Save and Close. And now you're going to see the difference between the one that they can grab a link and promote. They get that out of their affiliate area. And then this one here, they do not see the link. They cannot promote it. However, it's still a part of your program. And so in this case, they will receive 30% for this one, and they will receive 50% for this one. Now, remember what I said, some of the gamification programs, this one that has an override, or actually it's this one right here that has an override of 50%, would not be inside of your progressive levels program because you did an override on the individual product. So we can handle overrides on the specific commission program for individual affiliates, but we cannot handle overrides on individual products. There's just logically no way to do your program, and so it would just be excluded. And I will talk more about that when you set up your progressive levels gamification program. Okay, so that's how easily you add an internal product to your partner program.